Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're a handy electronics DIYer, I want to show you these precision screwdrivers from Wiha. So this is a set of 6 Pentalobe screwdrivers. They are very tiny, very precise. These are specifically for Apple products, and you get a variety of sizes, so you can use them for different things like phones, laptops. So we were using this one here to remove the case from a MacBook Pro in order to be able to take out the battery, which had kind of exploded. You can see it's kind of puffy in there. So we needed to be able to get that case off. So this was the perfect set of screwdrivers to be able to do that. So we really love the quality of these screwdrivers. They're made from a really nice, good quality steel. And I really appreciate that there are 6 different sizes in one set. So you can work on a variety of different types of devices with these. So if you are an Apple person and you have multiple devices, then this is definitely a great set for you. So these are an excellent high quality set of Pentalobe screwdrivers, and I would definitely recommend them. And that's my point of view.